cycles.
Okay, fine. So
Build
before
process.
build process. Correct, right? Build process. And one more question I told. So along with build process, I had told something else. How system testing works in the real time. Correct? Now, one more question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So 1,000 requirements with example. Clear, no? This
Yes,
one.
sir.
So what is test cycle? We understood. Okay. Now cycle over. Now second test cycle. Okay. Don't copy anything till I say. You please notice. So in first test cycle, how many builds they tested? How many builds they developed?
Two developed and one tested.
Two developed and one tested. Now in second test cycle, okay, our test lead will connect to the okay development server. Our test lead, what is he going to do? He is going to connect to the
Connect to the
development
development.
server. Now he will copy the build to folder. Okay, see in build one some set of features were there. Now in build 2 some more new features they added. Okay, some more new features they added along with bug fixes. Along with what? Bug fixes.
Bug fixes.
Please remember. So in build 2 what all things are there? What all things are there? So new functionalities.
Features.
E, comma, F. What is that E? Feature E.
Feature E.
F. Feature G. And bug fixes of build 1. That is nothing but A, B, C. Next, D.
D.
Now tell me, my dear students, all the functionalities which are there in build 1, same functionalities in build 2 are also there, not there.
There.
It is there.
Now tell me, build 1 you should keep or you should not keep?
We should not.
We should not keep. Technically speaking, we have to uninstall build 1. Please remember. So build 2 it contains what? Build 2 it contains what?
New features and as well as features of build 1.
Very good. Features of build 1 or bug fixes of build 1. Are you people getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now copy the build 2 over. Now tell me. Paste the build 2 into which server?
Test. Testing server.
Very good. So copy the build 2, paste the build 2 into testing server.
Testing server.
Now
Unzip.
just a minute. Take Shanti. Uninstall build 1. Old build is there now in the testing server.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
have to uninstall build 1. Now tell me, Pooja.
Unzip.
Build
2.
Very good. After unzip,
URL. Share the URL.
Install in the
Install the build 2.
install build 2. Now tell me what will happen.
Share the URL.
Test
USN.
lead will share what, ma?
URL. Username and password.
User name and what ma? Password
Password
to
to
all the
all test
test
engineers.
engineers. Please remember, my dear students, I just forgot while discussing testing of build one. See, testing of build one, how what they are going to do, test engineers, first they will perform smoke testing. Correct na? Smoke testing. So if all the critical and basic functionalities are working means, then what they are going to do? They will
So,
perform. They will
smoke testing will be conducted by developers, right?
developers as well as test engineers.
Okay.
Okay, developers as well as test engineers. Please remember. So here I just forgot. Here I just forgot to tell for you people. Okay. So first, test engineers. Okay. Before doing deep testing, test engineers before doing deep testing, they perform smoke testing. So they just check critical and basic functionalities are working fine or not. So after that they perform functional testing. After that they perform integration testing. Are you people getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Now here you see here. So test lead will share URL, username and password to all the test engineers and assign the features. How they will assign? In the previous test cycle you have understood. Pooja and Manasa, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now test engineers. What they are going to do? They are going to perform what? Smoke testing.
Smoke testing.
Why smoke testing? To verify build is testable or not. See, if basic and critical functionalities are working fine, if basic and critical functionalities are working fine, we will be able to continue with the further testing activities. Or in other words, it is nothing but testable. That build is testable. Further testing activities we can continue. Are you people getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now test engineers will perform smoke testing to verify build is testable or not. Now tell me, next. Now smoke testing success. So build is testable. So now test engineers can continue with further testing activities. Now test engineers, first they will perform which type of testing? Functional testing. So in functional testing, how many types are there, my dear students? Tell me. In functional testing,
Six.
six.
Six types, sir.
So object properties testing they will perform. Database
Database
testing they
testing.
will perform. Next,
Error handling
error
testing.
handling testing they will perform. Calculations or
Calculation and
manipulations testing they
manipulations
will
testing.
perform. Next,
Link
link
existence and
existence
link
and link
execution.
testing they will perform. Next,
Cookies and
Cookies
sessions
and
based
session.
testing.
session based testing they will perform. So afterwards, they will even perform usability testing, and one more type of testing is there, GUI testing. Are you people getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So first they will begin with functional testing. Next, they will perform integration testing. What is integration testing? From test engineer's perspective, you people are supposed to tell me. Integration testing.
Testing two
Data
or more features.
modules. Data flow between the modules.
Modules.
Clear?
Mm.
Next, they will Okay, integration testing between the modules they will perform. Afterwards, what they have to perform? They have to retest. Okay, retest. Retest. What they have to do? Defects in old module. Sorry, in old build. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You will agree with my point.
Yes, sir.
Afterwards, we have to test all the old functionalities. So now test engineers will perform what? Functional testing. How to perform functional testing? Very long back we have discussed. Integration testing. Retest defects in old build. Test all the old functionalities. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, my dear students, what will happen now? Now what will happen? Tell me. So build to testing over.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Build to testing
Yes,
over.
sir.
Okay. Now. So now tell me, what will happen?
Identify
I.
bugs. They'll identify bugs. No,
Okay.
sir.
Just a minute. Okay. Let us assume test engineers have identified what defects. Maybe some 350 defects. So have identified how many number of defects? Tell me how many number of defects? 350
350
defects.
defects.
In what? Build 2.
Build 2.
Build 2. Clear? Let us assume test engineers have identified 350 defects in build 2. Now tell me. Parallelly. Tell me. Parallelly. What test engineer, sorry, developers will be doing? Please quickly tell me.
We'll consider few requirements
Developers
or another set of requirements.
consider another set of tell me another set
Requ-
of
Requirement.
requirements.
requirements. Another set of requirements. Next, tell me quickly. Another set of requirements they will consider. What they will do?
They will start developing
uh,
build 3.
very good. So they will start developing what? Build 3. So now in build 3, H feature will be there, I feature will be there, J feature will be there, K feature will be there. Along with this, E, F, G. Clearer? Clearer? Or
Mm.
Yes,
not
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
E, F, G. Next, A,
A, B,
comma,
B,
B, comma,
B,
C, comma
C,
D.
D.
Now tell me, what they are going to do, you tell me.
They'll build
So developers in their own laptop they will write the code.
codes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So developers they will write the code for all the new features. Do you all agree point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Developers will write code for all new features. Afterwards, they will perform what? White box testing
Whites
or
are unit
unit
box
testing.
testing.
Unit box testing, you don't tell. Unit testing. Clear?
Unit
Pooja
testing.
and Manasa,
Yes, sir.
they'll write a code for all the new features. On the code, they perform what? White box testing or unit testing. Then what they will do? They will
They'll store the
store
code.
the
Code
code
of new
into
feature.
development
Development server.
server. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts still?
No, sir.
Afterwards. Afterwards. Level language. Hmm.
Mm.
ML. Correcta? Compilation.
Yes, sir.
MLL. That file will be huge file. Now what will happen? Compress. Correcta? So the
Yes, sir.
compressed file will be what?
Build.
Build 3. Are you all getting my point?
Yes,
Build
sir.
3. And now tell me what will happen? Build 3 is ready.
Mm.
See here in build 3 we are going to fix some defects found in build 2. So here, can I add this one? Can I add bug fixes of build to? Can I add?
Mm.
Can I add? Oh, very good. So now, any doubts? So Pooja and Manasa.
No, sir.
Now tell me, what will happen? Now tell me, what?
The development lead will
So
be
development lead will make lead
Uh,
saying that build
then
3
is ready testing.
is ready
Sir,
for
smoke testing is left.
test. Okay, just add. Okay. So smoke testing from who this fellow?
Yes.
Or test engineers also.
Smoke
No,
testing.
no, no. It's only developers. In this stage, only developers will perform smoke testing.
See, smoke testing will be performed by developers as well as from test engineers.
Mm.
So developers will perform smoke testing. Now development will mail to test lead saying that 3 is ready for test.
Testing.
So this completes what? This completes cycle.
Development
No, okay. Second cycle.
second cycle.
Second test cycle. So Manasa is in a mood.
No, sir.
Nice party she has done, I guess, today. Nice
No
food was
party.
there. Nice non-veg. Manasa.
No non-veg, sir.
Oh, you don't have non-veg.
No, sir. Only veg.
Only veg.
Yes, sir.
Why only veg. Since Pooja will not have, that is why you will not have.
No, no, sir. I also
Huh? No, even Pooja will never ever see that egg also.
can see it.
She will take a-
No,
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 we
no, no,
can
no.
see.
She will see egg.
We had made a practice of seeing.
Okay. Okay. One thing I will I will like to add. Uh, so this much we have to add here. Okay. So just a minute. Mm. Yes.
Before build one.
It's okay. Correct. No. Correct.
Smoke testing should be performed before build one testing,
No.
right, sir? ABCD, before ABCD, the previous paragraph.
See,
After the
inside.
smoke testing, they perform the other testing like functional testing,
Correct.
system
It is
testing,
fine.
everything.
This is perfectly fine. Don't worry. See,
Sir,
here we will just assign the features, ma.
okay, okay,
We
test
will just
will not
assign the
have.
features. After assigning the features, smoke testing they will perform. Afterwards, function testing, integration testing.
Sir, after every new feature, of every new feature, no testing is.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. See, as and when you get new build to testing environment, you have to perform smoke testing. You have to verify build is testable or not. Tell me, this build to is new or old?
New ones.
Whenever you receive new build, please start with smoke testing. Check basic critical functionalities. Or in other words, verify build is testable or not. Then you go with the deep testing, like testing, integration testing, and afterwards retesting old build. See, in build one, what happened, while testing? Previous build is only not there. Build one is only new build. Correct? Any defects are there? Tell me.
No.
So that is why here only functional testing, integration testing. Since no defects in previous build, before build is there.
No, sir.
I hope getting my point, Pooja and Manasa.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, super. Understood now. So here you add this one in first test cycle. Just forgot to test.
Sir, and one more addition to done.
Yeah.
Parallelly, developers in the first test cycle one. Parallelly, developers will consider another set of requirements, say 300. Developers will start developing build 2. After that, they'll write the code, store the code in development server. They write that also, right? Here,
That is understood. No, that is understood. No.
it was written in the second test cycle. I thought that
Yes,
should
yes.
be missing.
Yeah. Here you're missing. See, start to develop build to means same thing only. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So this is real time activity. Okay, so is it interesting, Pooja and Manasa?
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay, fine. So please copy down this somewhere you attach these two sentences in the first test set.
Yes.
Pooja, written.
Yes.
Second cycle you write. I mean, cycle. How many builds we have done? How many builds we have?
Second.
How many builds we have tested? How many builds we have developed?
One.
One build test.
Correct. Pooja is right. Pooja is right. Quickly, copy down. Copy down. Copy down. See, process. If you understand now, you will become master. I'm telling you. First, you understand the process. Sit right by yourself. Okay. Even if it is getting late, also it's okay. You have to understand the answer correctly. Still, conclusion I have not given for you before. Conclusion I will give. Maybe this session not possible, I guess. Maybe for the recorded session, I will be able to give conclusion. Yes. Let me see. Please, understand so that revision should happen. Pooja and Manasa done, ma?
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah. Take your own time. See, since this process is very much important from real time perspective, you have to take some time, you have to understand and you have to write down. Take your
Yes,
own
sir.
time.
Done, sir.
Manasa?
Done, sir.
Oh. So, can you people write third test cycle
Yes, sir.
by your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. Write down here in the session itself. You write down. So now tell me, in third test cycle, how many builds they will develop? How many builds you will test?
One and one.
One and one, sir.
Okay. Take your own time, understand and write. Then Pooja and Manasa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down. Write down, Manasa. Manasa, one side facing. Done,
Yes, sir.
okay. See, like this, okay. In this manner, testing will be continuing, okay, for many cycles. Please remember. So third test cycle, fourth test cycle, fifth test cycle, like this way, testing will be continuously happening for many cycles. Now let us assume, okay, now let us assume that minimum bunch of features, okay, minimum bunch of features, or let's assume that some bunch of features, don't want minimum bunch of features, assume that some bunch of features are ready, and developers are about to give, okay, new functionalities. Okay, now developers are about to give new functionalities. Assume that some bunch of features are ready, developers are about to give some new functionalities. Please remember, now test engineers, okay, they have to inform, okay, they have to inform one team. The team name is production team. So now let us assume some bunch of features are ready, okay, some bunch of features are ready, and developers are about to give new functionalities. Now, at this point of time, test engineers has to inform production team to get one, okay, to get one testing server which is similar to, okay, which is similar to production server. So regarding this, testing server similar to production server, Pooja and Manasa?
Don't know, sir.
See, simple. Production server means what? Pooja and Manasa, you please tell. Computer which is there at customer's place. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? This is nothing but computer. So if computer, if it is there means hardware configurations will be there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Software configurations will be there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the company, production team will take information from the customer. So in customer computer, what hardware configurations are there? What software configurations are there? Same hardware, same software configurations they are going to have in testing server as well. Are you people getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So they will collect information regarding production server, hardware and software configurations of production server, customer's computer. After collecting information from the customer, they will create one testing server with the customer's hardware and software configurations. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, in this testing server, which is similar to production server, okay, in testing server, which is similar to production server, they will perform something called as end-to-end testing. What they will perform, Pooja and Manasa? End-to-end
End-to-end
testing.
testing.
Now, by hearing to this term, end-to-end, okay, end-to-end testing, okay, end-to-end testing. Please understand. By hearing this term, end-to-end testing, what comes into your mind? Pooja and Manasa, you tell me.
Checking the features in testing server and production server. Same.
That we will be doing in normal computer only, Mama, Pooja. No, Pooja. Okay, fine. Now, you notice end-to-end testing. So, end-to-end testing is based upon business flow. Okay, business flow. So, we'll understand the business flow and then we will check end feature. Okay, end feature is working as per the requirements or not. So, in the case of end-to-end testing, we will identify business flow. Then we will check end feature. End feature is working as per the requirement. Sir, we are not able to understand. Give us one example, sir. Now, one example I will give for you people. So let me take which application pa? Banking application. Which application?
Bank application.
Banking application. Now, in banking application, there is one functionality. This is that functionality, amount transfer functionality. So tell me, Pooja and Manasa, using this amount transfer functionality, what operation you can perform?
We can transfer to some
Another
account.
account, correct? So we
Yes.
can transfer the money to another account. So by using amount transfer function. Okay. Now I will ask Pooja.
Yes.
Now you want to transfer 25,000 rupees to Manasa using banking application. You tell me business flow for this. Business flow means procedure. First, what you will do, Manasa? Sorry, Pooja, log into banking application. Manasa, are you there? Yes, Pooja, am I audible? Okay. Tell me what I was telling. Hello. Yeah, 25K you will transfer using banking application. To transfer the money, you tell me the procedure. Log into banking application. Next, amount transfer functionality. You will click on that. Next, you will enter all the required details to transfer the money. You will enter the amount also 25,000 and you will click on transfer button. Correct? Afterwards, what happens? 25,000 25,000 will get debit from your account and it will be credited to Manasa's account. This is nothing but end feature. Only you will check end feature. You are not supposed to bother about login functionality. Username text field, password text field, login button, cancel button. You need not to worry about all such things. While performing end-to-end testing. In the case of end-to-end testing, end feature you will check. So in amount transfer functionality, what is the end feature? Amount will get debited from the user side, and it will be credited to another user account or not. So this is the end feature. Right or wrong, Pooja and Manasa? Okay. One more example I will give. Okay. Same bank application. Okay. So now same banking application. So using this banking application, you will check amount balance. Okay. So now, how are you going to perform end-to-end for this check amount balance? Tell me. Same large bank application. Correcta? Hello. Are you able to hear?
Yes.
Tell
Now
me.
audible.
Amount balance. Tell me.
We'll select the icon.
First, you will log into banking application. At a business flow, you have to understand that. First, you will
Yes,
log into banking application. Next, you will search for amount balance functionality. Correct? You will click on amount balance functionality. And now, proper amount balance is getting displayed. So this is end feature. This end feature is what you are going to check. You are least bothered about login functionality. You are least bothered about username text field, password text field, login button, cancel button, forgot password option. Only you will concentrate on end feature. End feature is working correctly or not. Are you people getting my point? End-to-end testing means what?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts still now?
No, sir.
No doubts, sir. So,
sir,
tell me.
in WhatsApp, some notification will come, no, sir. End-to-end encryption.
That is
What?
right now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't get confused. You
Even
just
I was thinking about that.
don't consider all such things. You just consider from end feature perspective. Okay.
Okay, okay.
End-to-end is basically backend activities,
What backend?
like the processing and the displaying
Backend,
of
but
balance amount backend activities.
but you should just probably that account balance is getting displayed or not. That's all. That is end feature.
Okay.
Okay. So fine. So now let me explain for people. Say up to third cycle you can understand. So like this, testing will be continued for many cycles. Now assume that some bunch of features are features are ready. Now in some particular build, developers are ready to give new functionalities. Some bunch of features are ready, new functionalities are also ready. After this, test engineers will inform production team. Testing server, which is similar to production server, they are going to prepare. In fact, testing server, which is similar to production server, they will perform end-to-end testing. What is end-to-end testing? Testing the end feature. Testing the end feature is called as end-to-end testing. Clear, my dear Pooja and Manasa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the third cycle, you write down. I will take it. Please write down. Like this, like this way, like this way, like this way, like this way. Testing will be continued for many cycles. Like this way, testing will be continued for many cycles. Testing will be continued for many cycles. And assume that, and assume that some bunch of features are ready. Assume that some bunch of features are ready. And developers are about to give new build. Assume that some bunch of features are ready and developers are about to give new build to test engineer. Full stop. Testing team should speak to production team. Testing team should speak to production team. Should speak to production team and get testing server which is similar to production server. And get testing server which is similar to production server available. And in this server, we will perform end-to-end testing. And in this server, we will perform end-to-end testing. Below that you write down note you write down. Note. End-to-end testing means identifying the business flow and checking. End feature is identifying the business flow and checking. End feature is working as per the requirements. End feature is working as per the requirements. So below that you write down example. Are you getting my point? Now whatever I typed, you just notice here, Manasa.
Yes, sir.
Right. So for second example, you people have to write. This is first example. Second example. So second example, end feature, what you have to.
That's
Yes, sir.
So end-to-end testing mean you got to know.
yes, sir.
So next question you write down. When to go for end-to-end testing? When to go for end-to-end testing? When to go for end-to-end testing? first point you write. When some bunch of features are ready. 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 Bunch of features are ready. Second one you write down. Testing server similar to production server setup should be available. Testing server similar to production server setup should be available. Third point. Build should be relatively stable. Build should be relatively stable. Next point. Basic functionalities of the build should be working fine. Basic functionalities of the build should working fine. Next point. When we start getting less number of requirements, we start getting less number of requirements. When we start getting less number of requirements. When we start getting less number of requirements. All 5 points. Once again, you refer and try to understand by yourself. If you're getting any doubts, you just ask Pooja and Manasa. Take some time now itself. Refer to all 5 points. Try to understand by yourself. If you're not able to understand by yourself, just ask me. In which point you are having doubt. Okay, Pooja and Manasa?
Yes, sir.
Go through that.
Yeah, that.
Sir, build should be really stable, sir. In what manner, sir? I mean,
It should be testable.
okay. Then, sir. No doubts.
Pooja?
No, sir. Bro.
No. Okay. Still, conclusion I have not given. Okay. So, after you have understood. After third test cycle also, some more cycles will be there. Okay, please remember. Don't come to conclusion only 3 test cycles will be there. There will be more number of test cycles. Please, I can't explain each and everything. Same things will be happening. That is why I have just stopped third test cycle. So it continues. Fourth test cycle. Fifth test cycle. Sixth test cycle. Maybe we don't know. Maybe 8th test cycle. Some bunch of features will be ready. At that time, production, one server is similar to production server. Should you have to set up there? You have to start end to end. We don't know in which test cycle it is going to happen, but assumption clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we will in the next session. Next session will be recorded. Okay, Pooja and Manasa. So tomorrow by 6 o'clock I will be sharing. So on Monday, make sure before you attend